Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming capability. Check your Android model specs or Wi-Fi settings to ensure 5 GHz support. Next, log into the router and enable the 5 GHz radio. Give it its own SSID so it won't merge with 4 GHz. Use 802, 11 AC or 802. 11N modes for best speed and set WPA2 or WPA3 security plus a strong password. Once done, save router changes and reboot the router so the new 5 GHz network is active and discoverable. Now connect. On your Android device, scan for the unique 5 GHz SSID you created and join using the password. If your phone previously auto-joined a 4 GHz network with the same name, forget that network first so it won't revert. For phones that expose it, open advanced Wi-Fi settings or developer options and set a preferred network band or disable auto switch to mobile data. If no preference exists, keeping distinct SSIDs for each band ensures you choose 5 GHz every time. Finish by verifying the connection. Run a speed test and inspect the Wi-Fi details to confirm the active frequency is 5 GHz. Remember that 5 GHz offers higher speeds but shorter range, so move closer if signals are weak. If you cannot connect, reboot phone and router, change the router's 5 GHz channel away from DFS channels, or temporarily disable DFS if supported. Also confirm your phone's firmware and router region settings match. Mismatched country codes can block certain 5 GHz channels.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.